TiPJAR was founded in 2019 with the goal of helping tip workers earn more in a cashless world, and to help businesses reward and motivate their best staff.
In just 3 years, we've identified, defined, and now lead a completely new market that we believe is worth $100 billion a year.
We have influenced legislation, built market-leading technology, and are collecting almost £1 million in tips every month, making a tangible difference in the lives of the workers that we support.
TiPJAR helps turn tips into an on-demand income stream, helping businesses put their staff in control of their tips and giving instant liquidity to the lowest income workers who need it the most.
We enable customers to tip individual staff and teams directly, with the tip completely bypassing the business.
Through our platform, we can receive tips for distribution from nearly every source. We have over 500 tap-to-tip boxes out there in the UK. We've integrated into credit card machines to enable customers to leave a tip in one go. We can distribute service charges collected by the business, and we've got deep integrations with some of the world's leading order and pay at table apps. Now, for smaller businesses, they can still use more simple solutions such as a QR code or digital link. We have a solution for nearly every kind of business and every kind of team.
We're building the rails to handle tipping for hospitality globally. We're the only solution to be cleared by a tax authority in the UK, and we're already live in the US, Germany, France, and Ireland.
I have worked in, opened and operated hospitality businesses around the world. And no matter where I am, tips are a vital lifeline for staff. When workers get their tips to the TiPJAR platform, it feels just like cash dip. Totally fair, really transparent, with every worker getting transaction level detail for every tip they received.
This is TiPJAR.
Now, the biggest thing that I and our business struggle with is people and retention, getting the right people and getting
industry that we're all aware of.
Tipping app or the tipping website is fantastic. I could totally see that going into taking away all of that stress from tip. Increase hourly pay by £1 an hour. Is amazing.
I thought that was a very interesting, kind of revolutionised the way of staff getting paid.
Where tips feel like distinct from their salary in a way.
I think it's an amazing concept, and it definitely addresses the whole cashless issue with tipping.
It's nice that people are thinking more about their employees.
Since our last raise on CrowdCube, we've made a lot of progress. We now have over 6,500 accounts collecting tips on the platform, and over 500,000 people have left a tip with TiPJAR.
We've created 2 new products. SuperTrunk, which allows us to distribute tips that operators have collected through TiPJAR, and TiPJAR Connect, which means we can separate tips from restaurant revenue whilst the customer only experiences a single transaction.
We have a client who's already taken over £1 million in tips with TiPJAR.
And our new products and tech have allowed us to increase tipping volumes over 1,000% since March.
We have just signed one of the UK's largest hospitality and delivery businesses, with over 1,000 new venues and 20,000 new staff coming onto our platform in September.
We have partnered with some of the best hospitality tech businesses in the world.
Expanded further across the EU.
We've been nominated for 3 awards.
And we helped raise over £500,000 for charity.
Look, as we all know, the global tech markets are really tough. And yet, we're still here and growing faster than ever before. We have a UK business that is approaching break-even, and we're now going out to raise money to fund even more growth and to take on some really exciting new opportunities.
So, to help us realise our huge ambition for TiPJAR, we're back on CrowdCube one last time.
The money raised in this round will help us help even more staff, reach more businesses, and open in even more international territories.
We want to turn TiPJAR into a neobank SaaS solution, providing our users with prepaid bank cards, bank accounts, saving pots, and small loans to help them on the rainy days.
We want to continue to invest in SuperTrunk and TiPJAR Connect, building deeper partnerships and integrations and creating truly seamless experiences for customers.
This raise will turbo boost the amazing potential we see for our business.
Your investment will help us make a real difference to the lives of tip workers in the UK and beyond.
A big moment for small change.
Welcome to the tipping revolution.